Hey everybody, this is behind the camera is Carson Clues at Kaiser ATA. I have my oldest daughter, Abrielle, helping me. At the time of this recording, she is 8.5, almost 9. She's going to be demonstrating moves 5 through 12 of the Orange Belt form, Slalom 2. This is the form that our beginner tigers are going to be working with the instructors on in the months of July and August. So I'm going to move behind to record. So when I say move 5, first thing is ready and move 5. Go! She's doing a twin low block. On 6, her left foot steps and she does to front stance. And she has a left outer form block and then a right reverse punch. And that's 6 and 7. Now on 8, her right foot steps forward to front stance. She has a right outer form block and 9 is a left reverse punch. Now on 10, she steps up into a back stance, and then she does a knife hand strike with the left hand, and she keeps, ayah! Now she's going to the back of the room. 11 is a right round kick, and then she lands in a back stance, and she has a right double outer form block. There we go. Abrielle, return to silver 2, and then she'll show us that again from this angle. So, ready, Abrielle? And twin low block, move 5. So, let's see it from here. Ready? And her left foot steps to front stance, left outer form block, right punch. Her right foot steps to the best front stance she could possibly do ever, and right outer form block, left punch. Then her left foot steps to back stance. She has a left knife hand strike to the, big back stance. Her left hand does a knife hand strike, ayah. Her right foot does a round kick. She pops it out and back. She lands forward and then does a right double out form block. All right. And Abrielle, thank you for your help. Go and say bye to the camera.
Goodbye.